Right, I've just had the bumper, the rear bumper, off my C30 R design, and I've watched all the tutorials, so there's a couple of tricks I want to share. So firstly, wheel arch liner, you're going to want to remove probably that fourth screw as well, because you need to get that trim off the wheel arch on an R design. So I'm not actually sure if I had to remove that screw, but you probably want to remove it. Now, this black plastic, that stays on. There is a clip under there. Now, I nearly broke a trim tool on that, so what I ended up doing was using a crowbar, small crowbar, pry bar, just get under it like that, and that did pull it off, because you see that lifts the clip in a way that loosens it. So that's not going to break it. Obviously do be gentle, but when a trim tool's not enough, you can get a pry bar in there and that will work for you. Now the rest of it, having done that, and you'll have watched all the other tutorials, so you'll know there's the 2 screws underneath, as well as all the screws in the wheel arch lining, so you'll have done those. I took the light off here, just so I could see what I was dealing with here. So you start by pulling it off at the side. This will just pull out, so I did just pull on the other side. But you've got these 4 clips under the light to deal with. And knowing what you're dealing with makes it a lot easier. So honestly, if you want to take the light off, which you just have, you've got a nut up there on the inside. Theoretically, you've got nuts there, there, and there. I was actually missing one. But just taking that off, just so you can see what you're doing, that's going to make your life a lot easier as well. So I've been at this for a while, but honestly, from the point where I went in just there with the crowbar, it was so much easier, and it was done, you know, really quick. So if you're taking a bumper off for, you know, replacing the number plate lights like me, because this is not a number plate light, this is a Maraca, that's how you do it. Incidentally, if you're wondering, I've not been able to actually unclip the wire from that brake light, but that is like, you need to get a good clockwise turn, like a kind of quarter turn, and then it will pull out really easily. But that was a bit of a sod in the past to deal with. But that's yeah, that's how you, if you're looking at that brake light and thinking how to get that out, that's your answer. And if you're looking at it and thinking, what a ninny, how did he not just get the clip out? Yeah, it's been a long day. Anyway, hopefully that helped. Bye.